All right, couple quick steps in order to give our team access to manage your Google Business Profile. The first thing you'll need to do is go into your Google Business Profile Manager, which is business.google.com. Once you're in here, you'll see your business listing, and it's most likely in an ungrouped group, which means we may be able to manage it on a very limited level. What we need you to do is click on Create Group, create a group name. Once that's created, select your business profile, click the Actions menu, click Transfer Business, put it into the group you just created, click Transfer. This will take a few seconds to transfer it into that group, and this will allow you to manage the permissions, to allow access to manage the profile. Now, once you've done that, it looks like it disappeared, but what actually happened is it went into this test group that you just created. What you'd need to do next is click on Group Settings, under Managers, click Manage Users, click Add Users, put in the email address we provided you, which will probably be tapnet11@gmail.com, choose Manager as a role, click Invite, and click Done. Once we receive the invitation and we accept the request, we'll now be able to manage the profile properly so that our team can manage and optimize your profile correctly. Thank you.